All right,
post
and we
that
are
video.
live.
Post the video.
All right, so what did I do today? I am working on website bugs.
It's taking forever.
I know. Tests on website bugs. We had a good talk with Johnny today. We got a sprint planning done, and he has a clear path to get V1 started for the Android app, so that is cool. Yeah, that's all I did. Oh, I let Jamae drive Baby Blue today.
Oh, like you said, I let Jimmy drive, and then it paused.
So that's a little nerve-wracking. Baby Blue is doing background work tomorrow, so she might be in a movie.
Is she the first person to ever drive that besides you?
One of.
Wow,
I mean,
that's
she's
trust.
an old lady, so I'm sure she's been around the block a few times.
The car. He's referring to the car.
Yeah, not Jamae. Well, anyways, yeah, that was my day. I think I did something else. I don't know. Did we just lose some people?
We lost Evan, and Caleb's never showed his face this whole time yet.
Dude, I'm making coffee in the kitchen, man.
Well, we want to see Caleb. That's the whole point here. Kitchens, everything. Shower, whatever. Doesn't matter.
He's probably making coffee in the nude.
Well,
there's a reason why it tastes so good.
Okay, fine. You get what you asked for.
We're on the computer, kiddo.
There we go. Boom.
All right.
Welcome to Caleb's Kitchen.
How was your day?
Caleb's Kitchen. Welcome to Caleb's Kitchen. Today, he'll be showing us how to make kombucha coffee.
Easy.
Whoa! He just poured stuff on the floor.
One scoop.
He's out of control.
It's the sink, man. It's the sink.
What happens next? What's gonna happen next? I'm super excited.
Coffee.
Oh, freshly ground, hand ground coffee beans.
Hand ground. Yes.
We should make a show on making energy drinks too. We're gonna add some chemicals to this. Some aspartame for a little flavor.
And have it like steam and bubble over real unhealthy, and you're like, smells delicious.
A little bit of battery acid for that extra
mortar and pestle action there.
Love it.
Everyone said if you want to see Caleb's Kitchen, just follow our Instagram account.
Seriously, I don't know why so many of you guys who are watching don't follow us on Instagram. Like, it is amazing. It is entertaining and educational, and you get all the inside first access stuff on Instagram. Like, it goes to email sometimes days or weeks after it hits Instagram. So I'm just saying, YouTube too, super delayed. But Instagram, you see that stuff daily, like the second it comes out or even beforehand. You're missing out if you're not following us on Instagram.
It's true. We do a lot of cool behind the scenes stuff.
Look at him go. In the life of a hipster coder.
We're just going to sit here and watch Caleb this whole time.
Is this what this whole meeting's about?
I've been working out.
Just look at that pouring. Look at that pouring technique. It's perfect.
Yeah.
I've been working on it for years.
The water's not too hot, not too cold. It is perfect.
That's right. Excuse me? No, I'm just kidding. They're my work.
Come on. Anyways, Jason, what did you do today?
Today was great. So I did some website work. I built a new banner giveaway thing that we're promoting for the website. I have a PR on it. I don't think it's been pushed live yet. I did get some updated other code stuff that Mark had me do, and I added the download for Windows icon and button there to our How to Watch page where people go to when they click platforms. So that's available. Fix some verbiage on the payment section of the Lifetime Access page. But all those little details don't really matter.
Because we're all watching Caleb pour coffee.
I know. Anyways, on top of that, the new Firestore courses of Johnny's. 6 new courses coming to the app.
When?
Very, very soon. I'm going to have those finished tonight. Almost all done and ready for some testing. So
Ooh, 6 new courses, guys.
Yeah.
6?
6.
Wow. That's half a dozen.
How many dozen?
Good.
Yeah, and then just helped out tons in Intercom today. Been all over that, so that's it.
That's good.
All right, nice
Good work,
job. I was working on some stuff with Jason, and I had so much anxiety from it that I couldn't do other stuff till he answered me, and all I watched him do was, Jason is typing, and then it would stop.
It's because he left. He has like a script that types.
Jason
it types,
is
and then it
typing.
deletes it, and then it types, and then it deletes it.
Jason is typing. Come on, spit it out.
Everybody on the edge.
I know. I have gray hair from it. All right, Nathan.
All righty. Fine-tuned that little.
Why don't you tell people what you're doing so they have context?
Well, I thought I've explained it.
Explain it again.
I'm gonna explain it again.
It's a new day, young grasshopper.
Primarily for people who just subscribe, they just become, a Devslopes member. We're putting together a page of like, kind of how to get started, resources, how to get the most benefit of what we offer, and so it's just kind of like a list of things like, join our Slack channel, do this, get to know Git, stuff to help you get off on the right foot, and that's going to go up on our GitHub. So that's going to be really cool. I've helped a lot of people in the subscriber Slack channel, solving problems there. That's been fun. I worked out today, like for 20 minutes.
Did 150-pound bench press, so you can get his 320 max.
And those of you who watched the AMA with Mark, he said I benched 320, but it's actually 405. Just want to put it out there.
It's only like 5 pounds more.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
No big deal.
Jason's like defending him. It's a big deal.
It's a huge deal. I have a video. If anybody wants me to post it, I will.
Yeah, people are like, yeah, Devslopes sucks. And Jason's like, oh, I can see that. But he's like his brother. He's just like, 405, what?
Don't make fun of Nathan. He's strong.
And then, let's see. There's something else that we're kind of getting started.
No, you announce it. Announce it like a real announcement. Make people excited about it.
Okay. I wanted to make sure I had Mark's A-OK.
It's okay. Announce it.
And coming live.
For subscribers, we're going to start an open source project. So right now we're just kind of in the brainstorming, trying to find something that we can all work on. We want you guys to be able to participate, learn how it is to work on a team, pull requests. Your code is going to be reviewed. I will be personally reviewing it as well as others. And it's just going to get you over that, like, you're so sensitive about your code to begin, you're like scared, but it's going to help you break through that. But yeah, so we're hoping to find a good idea. I don't know. We're not totally sure. I want to do something with machine learning. Ultimately, that would be cool. But we'll try to find a project that we just want the community to be able to work on. That's going to be on our GitHub as well. So.
A bench pressing app.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Something a little cooler than that.
Not something that we can make in like a half a day.
No. So are you done?
Yeah.
So let me add to that to Nate here. But we feel really strongly about giving you real world hands-on experience. And from my own personal experience, sometimes it's very hard to contribute to open source because the people who run the repos are so very good. Like right now, if any one of you who are learners tried to go submit code to the Swift open source library, for instance, it would be very hard to get your code even looked at, and it's tough. And so we're not going to be putting bad code in this project, but we're going to spend more time working with you to write good code, so you won't just get rejected off an open source project, but still get the real hands-on stuff. And so we're hoping to launch this within the next like couple weeks max. And it is open source, meaning that open source is open source. It's open to the world, but we're only letting subscribers actually participate on it. So yeah, of course, the code can be shared, and you can share it with whoever you want. But we're only going to be taking in pull requests and reviewing code for people who are members of Devslopes to give you a chance to get our eyeballs on real code. And the project's going to have something to do with either online learning with education, or it's going to be a developer tool or something that's in the realm of what we all need as developers. And that's coming real soon. And I'm super excited about it. And Nate's heading that up here for us. So really cool stuff. So my report is that we are launching this really cool initiative. It's kind of like almost like a stretch goal, like for Kickstarter. And basically, for every lifetime backer that we get, Caleb will actually fly to your house and make you coffee. Just like
enjoy
that.
it. Just enjoy it. Let it happen.
So what we are doing though is tonight we're launching this really cool stretch goal for our campaign. If we get 100 new additional backers or lifetime access members, we are going to be giving every single person who purchases lifetime access, we will be sending you a free Amazon Echo Dot with a 3-hour Alexa training course on how to actually hack your Alexa and your Echo. And so that'll come. So we're launching that tonight. If we get 100 new people, this is an initiative to. A lot of people are saying they're going to buy, but they want to wait till the very end. And so I'm trying to encourage people to do it now so we can keep the momentum going. And so anyway, every single person who purchased already and every future person who purchased will get that for free once we get 100 new purchases. And so that is going live tonight. I'm super excited about it. So spread the word. And also for those of you who have reach, of a good 500 people plus, we are taking select affiliates as part of this lifetime access. So if you have some marketing skills or pizzazz, we are opening up to a few affiliates. So contact me or Evan or Caleb if you are interested. We don't want to just bring anybody on who's not taking it seriously, but if that's something you have skills in, we're opening that to a few people. So that's happening as well too. And among building out all kinds of crazy cool features and stuff for the future here, for this lifetime access, all the things that we promised you, we are working on delivering. And so we are working like crazy. And of course, fixing some of those crashes on the website you may be experiencing and other things like that. So that's my report. Oh, and the dog, we changed his name. He has a final name now. So his name is now Pseudo, Caleb.
Ah, yes. So
all
good.
The kids and everybody like the name. So and they don't even know what it means. They just
That's so much better. I love it.
That's awesome.
Our dog's name is Pseudo.
Give that dog some commands.
Yes. So and good job with the pictures today. Like that got lots of people like dogs. Like
dude,
people like dogs.
I was surprised. Yeah, like there were so many people that were just like, oh my gosh, like melting on Instagram because
we need more puppies, Caleb. Every other post needs to be a puppy.
Just put that thing in front of a computer and it's done. It's good.
Yeah. So and to Nate's point, we have a bunch of ideas for the open source project, but if you have ideas, now is the time to submit them. Submit them to nate@devslopes.com. This will be finalized very, very soon. So let us know some of the ideas we had. I'm just going to throw this out there, is building an online Swift compiler, kind of like the IBM Sandbox, but we make one that's open source. So you can actually run Swift on any web browser, and it would have an iOS SDK where you can actually plug the SDK in any app, and you can have a real-time compiler in your iPhone app for Swift. That's one option. Another one is intelligence, like learning intelligence, artificial intelligence for like coding questions and being able to find answers without having to go search the internet, among a bunch of other ideas that we had. So ideas like that, send them to nate@devslopes.com and we'll consider it. And we hope to start this soon. Yep, that's the deal.
Sweet.
Yeah,
Sweet.
I don't have the dog in here, Benjamin. Actually, Nate, go get the dog. Go get the dog. Pick him up. Pick him up. Okay. Well,
we just hear Nate get bit in the background.
Is it Caleb's or Evan's turn?
Let me decide. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a toe.
Yeah, let us know how it
If
tastes.
he hollers,
is it as refreshing?
let him go. All right, Caleb, you can go.
Oh, okay.
I
well,
felt bad for catching you by your toe.
Well, it's okay. Us hipsters are into that, so that's cool. But anyway, No, my update for today is a good day. Made some coffee and just played a lot of Call of Duty.
Really? That's cool.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I just wanted to see if you guys were listening. No, I did a bunch of Instagram stuff, made a bunch of videos, and edited some stuff. We're doing a big post tomorrow with Fu, and made a video for that. And Evan is making our video for that, and then also worked on reaching out to a bunch of Instagram influencers and got them all, not all of them, but a good number on board with posting for us. And we did like a custom takeover video for each influencer. So it basically just starts out with me saying like, yo, what's up? This is Caleb with Devslopes. We're taking over X. Wow, that's a big dog.
There he is.
There's the dog.
Hey, buddy. Everyone see.
Pseudo chill.
Pseudo woof.
Pseudo down.
Wow, he listens.
How heavy is that dog?
Not very heavy. He's like, what, 50 pounds? 50.
Oh, so Nate can bench like a couple reps.
Yeah.
Two, maybe.
He can bench like 3 of the dog.
Yeah. All right. Sorry, Caleb. Sorry. Continue.
It's okay. I interrupted with my coffee. You can interrupt with the dog. It's fine. No, my day was just Instagram stuff, collaborating with influencers and getting them to post stuff. We have one guy who like loves us, and so he posted for us for free, which is awesome. So actually,
is that what you're gonna say?
Two of them that love us that are posting for free, and then a few that we had to pay for posts. But that's the way it goes in the world of Instagram. Like it's a very much like pay to play market, but it's really good because it'll get us lots of exposure and people are seeming to like it. And we are, last I checked, 25 people away from 10,000 followers.
Woo!
So we're almost there.
That's exciting.
Yeah, so that'll be a big milestone for our social media exposure. Other than that, though, Instagram, collaborations, customer support, editing videos. Yeah.
Caleb, I would like to see
Nice,
what you
man.
look like
Good
with
work.
the hat on frontwards.
He's done that before.
I have. I don't do it often.
I don't know if I've seen it.
But when he does.
Well, the reason I don't is because the bill on this hat like slopes to the side, like Dev slopes. That was funny. Anyway, but it like it's diagonal, so I don't like wearing it.
Okay. Well, if you want,
So
some
he
more
puts
hats,
it backwards so he can't see that.
well, we need to order you some more
Exactly.
hats.
You know, if you have more hats, I'd rep them.
Wrap him good.
Mm.
We should
All
make
right, Evan.
Oh, by the way, coffee's awesome. Sorry.
I'm also drinking coffee.
Wait, Evan, we want to see Oahu, please.
Oh, so I'm at a coffee shop in Oahu. I think that's why my computer was overheating earlier. This is just their coffee shop. I'm like tucked away in the corner, like as I normally am. Same stuff, different state. But yeah, it was a really good day. I finished V1 for Android designs. Johnny's going to build it out for our subscribers and our lifetime access users in Kotlin. It's going to be awesome. So did that, and then worked with Jira for the first time, which is really cool. I'm very optimistic about it. It's going to solve a lot of it's definitely a powerhouse, but it's going to solve a lot of our pain points we were going through with our previous flow. So me, Jacob, Johnny, and Mark had a really, really good call about that, planning out our sprints. And then doing some website tweaks or some more. I'm going to have those other ones for you tonight, Mark. Yeah, a lot of growth-related things, like Caleb and Mark said, reaching out to select affiliates and people who can we can create win-win situations out of this lifetime access. So a lot of really good stuff, and yeah, it's good. It was a good day.
Yeah.
Sweet, man. Good work. All right, I think that's it. Jack helped me with some random database stuff today. He's a busy guy, so other than that, he just keeps helping us on the back end.
Yeah. And for those of you who have had issues with the website, with cancellation and stuff, we are not trying to stop you from canceling your subscriptions. we have a bug, so we're fixing it. And so you can contact us and we can take care of it for you. So So it's the downsides of startup life, where we have to pump out a million things really fast. And one day, everything will be unit tested, and we'll have every type of test you can think of, and continuous integration and all kinds of goodness. So, stay tuned. It's good stuff.
Woo!
Yes, sir. All right, cool, guys. Good work.
Yeah, and how about a message from our sponsor, Caleb, and his coffee making skills?
This episode of Devslopes Live Stand-Up was brought to you by Stumptown Coffee. Coffee roasters from Portland, Oregon.
For 10 easy payments of $39.99.
Yes. Call now and we'll double your offer, free of charge.
Hey, Caleb, on a complete side note here, we're in hustle mode right now. This is for you too, Evan. I would really love to see you do what you did with Instagram to our YouTube channel, man.
Sweet.
Just saying, like, it'd be cool to start working on that. You nailed it. You figured out the pattern, and to do that on YouTube would be phenomenal.
That'd be awesome. I would love to get like I don't know if it's like just a trip to IKEA, like a big white or like gray tabletop, and just some good lighting to go down on top of it to do like either like over the top like unboxings and reviews of like different tech products, or like, I don't know, just like a simple way to like set up a lighting rig and setup, either for unboxings or just like, I don't know, like,
yeah, everything.
I don't know. We can think about all the things.
I'll buy you all that stuff when you get your new house, which you can't get until I fill out this paperwork that I haven't done yet. But
Mark, do it. Making me nervous, man.
Making me do so much. But when you get that house, I will get you all that stuff. If I get a nice space for it, and I'll get you your own little recording studio too. And this will be, you can have your own studio and whatever. Like,
dude, that would be awesome. I have like photography lighting already, like the 2 umbrella lights, and I have that backdrop you got in the stand and everything. Like, that's good. Just like a nice flat surface that I could mount lighting on, like pointing directly down on, would be sweet.
Yeah, start prepping your studio.
Sweet, sounds good.
Cool.
Alrighty. Cool. I just need a little corner and a computer.
Oh, and Caleb, with that initiative for YouTube, I mean, it wouldn't just be all you. You would call upon us. Okay, Mark, you need to do this day. Well, not Jacob, he's bad on camera, but like other people. Just kidding, buddy. No, everybody. Like you would make us do stuff, and you would just tell us what to do.
Well, I do like bossing people around, so that's good.
I like it when you boss me.
Yeah, he's good at it.
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm so not, but I will try.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, but I will die if you guys don't do this for me. So if you could get a chance, could you please get it done?
If you could
Maybe
get
I
a
should
chance.
just start getting super passive aggressive. Maybe that would help. I don't know.
You just scream.
Just be aggressive.
aggressive.
Actually, I have a couple of comments on that. We can talk offline, but we can stay on after this.
Ben Potter, yeah. Caleb's in Oregon. Johnny's in Arizona. Jack is in Missouri. Evan is all over the friggin' planet, apparently, but he's based out of the Bay Area. And me, Jason, and Nathan are here in the San Luis Obispo area, right off the beach. And Jacob is in the beautiful Los Angeles, California, full of traffic and smog and everything in between. And anyway, are we missing anybody?
It's better than slow.
I don't know. That traffic, man. That traffic.
Yeah,
Hey,
but
Caleb,
I can at least go and eat good food.
the next voting thing for Instagram, you should do slower LA.
Ooh.
Yeah, I will say Devslopes does need to find a new headquarters in the near future where we're all closer as a team. So if anyone has suggestions of where Devslopes should move, the requirements are it has to have a boat harbor nearby.
Portland. It's in the name. Portland.
But number 2 is it can't be cold.
Portland's warm some of the time.
And number 3 is it can't have crazy traffic.
Some of the time, most of the time.
So no crazy traffic, no cold weather, and must have a boat harbor relatively close. So it's pretty tough.
So checking out Ojai, you have Ventura right there. That's like 45 minutes away from Ojai. I don't know.
No.
Anyway, it's doable.
Yeah. Australia, that's right. Hey, that's cool.
Australia, that are super good for digital nomads. Just saying. Like, cost of living's fairly low compared to the rest of Australia.
Are you talking about the Outback?
No. No.
Let's go live in the middle.
Let's go live in the middle of Australia.
There you go.
Where like everything in the world that can kill you is all in one area.
Yeah, true.
Like that.
Have
Kangaroos.
snakes roll up in your wheels and jump out and bite you.
That sounds fun.
Kangaroos punching you in the face, breaking your neck.
Also fun.
All right, guys.
All right. Ciao.
Peace out.
Stay on, Caleb.
Oh yeah.
All right,
Not
see you
peace
guys.
Bye.
Peace out, live audience.